Good day, everyone. We are here to present to you our research entitled Readiness of Reina ALS Implementers in the Enhanced ALS Senior High School Mathematics Curriculum, proposed in seminar workshop. I am Mr. Jaybert R. Saron with my co-authors, Hyacinth C. Saron and Ma'am Risaili A. Salayo. For our introduction, we have Bakhtiari 2011 about the globalization and internalization of education, the Republic Act 9155 and Executive Order 356 which tackled about the non-formal education delivery, the Bulk 2009 about implementation of ALS made education more accessible, the Havitan 2015 presentation which tells that DepEd Quezon ranked in the bottom spot among the 19 division of Region 4A. The DepEd Quezon CID Report 2015, the status or report on the ANE enrollment test takers passers from the calendar year 2011 to 2014. The Sharma 2011, which says that the readiness includes all the preparatory adjustment, LIS ALS 2020 generated report, and our objectives is to assess the readiness of all implementers in Real Infanta and General Nakar District 1 and 2 to the enhanced senior high school mathematics curriculum for the school year 2019-2020 and to propose a seminar workshop based from the result of the study. For our methodology, the researchers used the mixed method of research complemented by triangulation method, survey questionnaire, interview, and competency-based assessment to 25 ALS implementers of Real, Infanta, and General Nakar District 1 and 2. The data and information were obtained from the responses of 3 district ALS coordinators, 5 mobile teachers, 7 secondary ALS coordinators, 4 indigenous people education teacher, and 6 instructional managers. The researcher used the researcher-made questionnaire and validated competency-based assessment. The data gathered from the survey questionnaire was analyzed through the use of the following statistical procedures: percentage, weighted mean, mean percentage score. For the results in discussion, the demographic profile of the RENA ALS implementers are identified. Most of them are female, 72% in the age group of 21 to 30, and 51 to 60, 32%. Locally funded teacher, 36%. Secondary ALS coordinator, 28%. Bachelors of Secondary Education and Bachelor of Secondary Education, 48%. Generalist, 36%. Has 0 to 5 years teaching experience in ALS, 48%. And bachelor's degree holder. The average weighted mean of ALS implementers on the readiness to the topics for ALS senior high school math curriculum of ALS RENA implementers is 2.53, which is interpreted to us a great extent of readiness. The average MPS standard of achievement or level of readiness of ALS implementers on the senior high school mathematics curriculum is 64.91, which is interpreted as average near mastery and moderately ready for the implementation. There are 5 identified least mastered learning competencies of RENA ALS implementers in the enhanced ALS senior high school mathematics curriculum with a range of 24 to 32% correct, which were interpreted to as low mastery competency. There are 6 clustered topics based on the performance standard C to F of the enhanced ALS senior high school mathematics curriculum to be facilitated by 5 resource speakers and to be conducted in 3 days. The proposed seminar workshop will be conducted by the researchers in partnership with DepEd, Southern Luzon State University, and Northern Quezon College as part of an extension program. For the conclusions and recommendations, the standard of achievement level of readiness of RENA-ALS implementers to all senior high school is moderately ready for the implementation. So, ALS implementers still need training, seminar, or workshop which focus on the content of all senior high school mathematics curriculum. Training designed for the seminar workshop was conceptualized as output of the study to master the least mastered competencies and to increase the readiness or standard of achievement or MPS of the RENA-ALS implementers on the sixth clustered topic for enhanced ALS senior high school mathematics curriculum. In light of the findings and the conclusions, the following hereby recommended. DepEd may consider secondary teachers to be designated or hired as mobile teachers, district ALS coordinator, and instructional managers. ALS implementers may update themselves professionally, particularly their educational qualification, and upgrade their position. ALS implementers are advised to attend seminars and pieces of training relative to the content of senior high school curriculum, particularly the English, science, and math. And future researchers may conduct a study about the readiness of ALS implementers in other senior high school subjects, tracks, or offerings. For all my references, thank you and good day, everyone.